So this is it. This is our completed installation of the Fujitsu KMCA 5 kilowatt unit. Aesthetically a really nice looking unit. The Fujitsus, they're also remarkably quiet. I'm not sure if you can hear that over the breeze that's just come up, but they are a really quiet unit, which obviously is great for the neighbours. We've got our interlink powder coated bracket, which also looks really good. They blend in. They're like an ivory colour or nude colour, very similar to the unit. We've got our pipe work and our circuit going up. This is our isolator here, and up the top we've got our finished duct, which we've fixed to the wall, sealed all the way around. We've sealed around our isolator. Down here's our drain coming down. I always like to put a bit of an S-bend in the drain just to create a bit of a water trap. Northern New South Wales, southeast Queensland's renowned for geckos and ants trying to find water and other unwanted pests. So that's just something that I like to include. So that's pretty much it. It's been about a 32-33 degree day, and the breeze has only just picked up. So the client's really happy with the job, and we've got a lot of work to carry on with here downstairs and the switchboard and everything like that. So hopefully I'll be able to take some other videos just showing you the work that we're doing down there at the switchboard, just to let you know some of the things that you can get done or can do. This unit here, I just wanted to show quickly. This unit, I'm not sure if you can see that, it's probably not real clear, but basically the max current is about 13.5 amps, so that would probably be on our heat cycle. And you'll generally find that being the inverter, or this one DC inverter, once they cool down, the power current or the power draw essentially drops right back. So they are a really good unit, really efficient unit. So yeah, so our website is www.protekelect.com.au. Feel free to leave any comments or drop us an email. And my name's Chris Ealer, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.